The T1B battery micro scrubber is the newest addition to Tennant's battery scrubber family. The T1B cylindrical scrubber eliminates the hazards and constraints of cords, so facilities can be cleaned regardless of the time of day. In addition to being up to 5 times faster than a traditional mop and bucket, its industry-leading water recovery makes it ideal to use when people are present. A first in this machine class, Tennant offers an optional lithium-ion battery package to provide up to 20 times longer battery life and is virtually always ready to clean. The applications for the T1B are endless, including retail, healthcare, restaurants, kitchens, cafeterias, gyms, health clubs, education, and hospitality. Wherever there is a need for safe, convenient scrubbing when customers, visitors, and employees are present, the T1B microscrubber is the answer. Decrease operator training time through the T1B's simplified machine operation. The solution and recovery tanks can easily be removed for filling with bucket or hose, allowing for empty and fill even in the most inconvenient spaces. Decals clearly mark the 2.5-gallon, 9.5-liter clean water solution tank, and label indicates the maximum fill line. The bucket is easily grasped with a comfortable handle and maintains a good center of gravity, never getting out of balance when full. To prepare for scrubbing, Tennant's Insta-Adjust handle can be moved into one of 20 comfortable positions to accommodate users of any stature. Depress the transportation release pedal to lower the scrub head into the operating position. Tennant's T1B 15-inch, 38-centimeter unit delivers consistent cleaning results and increases productivity with a cylindrical, self-propelling brush system. Tennant's cylindrical scrub head meets individual cleaning needs. Perfect on vinyl composite tile, terrazzo, ceramic tile, sealed hard floors, or cleaning grout. During normal daily scrubbing, the vacuum switch should be turned on. This switch will not need to be adjusted again unless an operator wishes to double scrub the area. For ease of use, the operator will interact with only the main power switch. A battery discharge indicator is also located on the handle. Simply start the machine by depressing the main power switch to the on position and engage the start triggers, commencing water flow, brush rotation, and vacuum motor. With one full solution tank, the machine will deliver 25 minutes of uninterrupted productivity. Operators intuitively know the machine is working properly when they see that water is being recovered through the viewing port. The solution flow is contained by squeegees both in front and behind the scrub brush, allowing bi-directional pickup, meaning the machine operates in both forward and reverse. This enables operators to use the machine in corners, under desks, under tables, and in tight spaces easily. When you are finished scrubbing, turn off the main power switch and engage the transportation pedal to raise the scrub head. Remove the 3.4-gallon, 12.9-liter recovery tank from the machine. It can be easily dumped into a drain, sink, toilet, or other wastewater facility. Note the integrated pour spout and hand grip. For new operators, or those needing a refresher, on the back of the machine recovery and solution tanks are graphics, which show how the machine can be operated step by step. The T1B is designed with limited storage space in mind. The T1B's folding handle is convenient for storage and transport from one site to another. The T1B is available with two 12-volt sealed battery options, an innovative lithium-ion battery or a standard AGM battery. Neither battery requires maintenance other than routine charging. An industry first in this product category, Tennant's T1B lithium-ion battery offers a variety of advantages. Runtime for up to 60 minutes. Quick charging. Opportunity charging, which is perfect to charge over a break. Thousands of battery cycles. Lithium-ion batteries turn the T1B battery microscrubber into the ultimate cleaning tool, ready virtually any time, anywhere. The AGM battery has approximately 45 minutes of runtime and is perfect for standard daily cleaning or applications requiring 1 to 2 charges per day. To check or change the urethane squeegee blades, rest the machine on its back. To ensure virtually 100% water pickup, there are 4 squeegee blades on the T1B. To remove a squeegee blade, lift or depress the blade retainer clip and pull the blade from the channel. Please note that for easy blade installation, the squeegee blades are color-coded to match the scrub head blade channel. Gray, outside blades, black, inside blades. Place the squeegee blade in the channel according to the proper matching retainer color, and slide the squeegee blade until you feel a snap, signifying that the retainer clip is engaged. This will ensure that the blade is properly seated. Done in seconds, with no tools, no hassle. The T1B comes standard with a nylon brush, but there are a variety of brushes available to suit specific needs, including others like poly or abrasive bristle. To remove or check the brush, remove the idler plate by turning the locking knob. To replace, seat the slotted end into the brush hub and reattach the idler hub. Again, completed in seconds with no tools, no hassle. The T1B micro scrubber is the perfect replacement for the outdated, unsafe, and unsanitary mop and bucket. With the industry's only cast aluminum frame and scrub head in this category, Tennant's T1B micro scrubber resists corrosion and impacts, making it perfect for retail, education, healthcare facilities, and more. The compact T1B is sized to conveniently handle spills, front entranceways, break rooms, checkout aisles, cafes, back-of-house projects, patient rooms, touch-ups, and many other jobs. Tennant's T1B battery micro scrubber. Clean congested areas quickly, safely, and confidently, with the freedom that only comes from being cord-free.